didn't see you there. Hi, matey. Hi. Arr. I will give you some tips today about internet safety. Never, ever, 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 ever give your password away to anyone. You don't know who they are on the other end of the computer. So, they might want to use your Discord or something that you have against you. Or even maybe they might talk to your friends without you knowing. Never, ever, ever trust people online. They can be very cunning, asking you personal stuff. I don't know, maybe social service numbers, things that should never be spoken to anyone else. Take care and always tell your parents if something bad happens. Messages you don't like, messages that maybe hurt you, like bullying or something like that. Take care and hoi! The tattooed parrot.